Okay, so I'm going to start to do, sorry, an example of stippling. So stippling is another way to use line to create shading using dots. It's very time consuming and it's a little bit tedious. Right now, we're just looking at different methods of using line, but you can combine them later. So we're isolating skills right now, but later you can combine all of them in a drawing if you want. For example, a drawing could have shading, perspective, and a little bit of stippling. It could be all stippling. It could be anything you want, but we're just looking at different skills so you know all of them. So I did it just, I'm not going to do a whole drawing because it's really time consuming. I just did a little sketch of some fruit from a photograph and I made some boxes up here. So, excuse me, the first box would not have that many dots. And remember, you could use a pen. You can use different pencils when you're doing this as well. So that would be a light. And then the second box would have more dots. So it's creating a darker kind of image or shade, tone, value. This would have more. This would have more. You can do more than 5 boxes. I'm just doing 5. And the next would have more. And then this is where it gets a little bit time consuming. I got a little messy there. You can be a perfectionist or not. Sometimes it's better to use a pen. I just didn't have the right kind of pen. I would use a really thin Sharpie for this, but okay, so now I'm going to look at the fruit and I want to shade it using dots. Sorry, that 5 got a little messy. So I just have a picture out. I just got a black and white image and I'm just looking at kind of this and this. So again, you want to have more dots where it's darker and less dots where it's lighter, or the dots are closer together where it's darker and farther apart where it's lighter. If it's white, you wouldn't put any dots. And as you can see, this is a bit time consuming. You could also combine pencil and pen if you wanted. I'm kind of overlapping. I mean, if you're a big perfectionist, you might not want to do that. And my hand is already, I'm like shaking out my hand because it's getting a little tense. It's cramping just because I'm holding the pencil in a certain way. And this is a kind of a lighter pencil, so I'm going to get a darker pencil. I'm just going to see how this looks. This is easier. So you see how the different pencils could give you kind of darker dots or fatter dots? The dots don't all have to be the same unless you want them to. It's just a technique to try out. And then I get the lighter pencil. I'm just shaking out my hand a little bit. It's cramping. I'm just going to do these three shapes just because I'm just showing you a technique. I'm just jumping around a little bit. Sorry. Some people wouldn't be on the same thing, but I'm trying to kind of find the darkest parts. I'm using the lighter pencil because this is a little bit lighter right here, and I want to leave a white part where there's a highlight, but my highlight as of right now is a little bit too big. And remember, it might be easier to do this with a pen. I was kind of making the dots. Not all of them are, I feel like I'm kind of using light and dark rather than closer together and farther apart, but either way is fine. So the dots are showing the shading. So it's made, instead of having these shapes be flat, now they're appearing to be round. And it's just a way to, it's not smooth, it's a way to add texture or variety to your drawing if you want to. It's a technique. Shaking out my hand a little bit. I'm gonna get the eraser and try to erase this kind of outline. This doesn't have to be a finished drawing. It can just be an object. It doesn't have to be this. It could be anything you want, a flower, but it has to have shading. Mine is not really that neat, but I'm doing my best. Okay, I'm getting the lighter pencil. As you could see, you could spend a couple hours doing this, but I'm just trying to make smooth transitions between light and dark. And I'm going to stop it here. I think you got the idea.